In this lesson, we are going to learn how we can copy a project from GitHub to our computer. This is called cloning, and we will be doing this for Hello Flutter app to bring the project from the GitHub to our device. This is a completed project of Hello Flutter app, and once this is cloned on your device, you will be able to see all the files and code inside of it. We are cloning this project so you can get a glimpse of what our final project looks like. Right now, we will just launch it and you can check out the code without needing to understand it. Alright, starting from the next lesson, we will build everything from the scratch. So let's learn how you can clone this project. So for cloning this project, navigate into github.com/susandstc and then click at repositories and search for Flutter. And this will bring up all of these projects. And the project that we need to clone is this Hello Flutter app. So click at it and now click at this code button and copy this URL. Make sure you are at this HTTPS tab. Alright. And now we need a directory for cloning the GitHub projects. So I have created this Flutter GitHub in my desktop, and here I'll be keeping all of the GitHub projects. You can go ahead and create a directory for keeping Flutter projects from GitHub. Alright. So now I'll be cloning the Hello Flutter GitHub project in this directory. So I need to open it from VS Code. So open up your VS Code, click at File, Open Folder, and then select the folder where you want to place GitHub projects. So this directory is now open on my VS Code. So click at View and then Terminal for opening the terminal, or you can click at the terminal and new terminal. Alright, this terminal can be at the right side or at the bottom, it does not matter. So in the terminal, type git space clone and then the repository URL. So the URL that we just copied. Alright, and hit enter. So here you can see a new folder Hello Flutter app has been created, and all the files and folder inside of it has been imported from GitHub project into our device. And now we need to open Hello Flutter app as a root directory. So click at File, Open Folder, and open this folder and click at Select Folder. So this folder Hello Flutter app is our root directory. Alright. So now there are few steps required for running this project in our device. So navigate into Leave and then main.dart. And here you will be getting a lot of error, and this is because we do not have dependencies for running this project. So for fixing that, click at View and then open Command Palette. So the first thing you want to do is to clean this project. So search for clean and you will be getting this Flutter clean project. Click at it. This is not mandatory, but it will clear all the unwanted files. Alright. Now once this is done, open Command Palette again and then search for pop get packages. So this will get all the dependencies for our Flutter project, and it might take a while. And after this process is complete, all dependencies will be downloaded and we will no longer be getting any error in our project. Alright. So now we are ready for launching this project. So let's launch our emulator. View, Command Palette and search for launch, and you'll be getting this Flutter launch emulator. Select your emulator and this emulator will be launched. So once the emulator is launched, you can see this emulator name over here. So now click at View, Command Palette and search for Start Debugging. And now you can click at here and start the debugging process. Alternatively, you can start the debugging by clicking at this Run option and then start debugging. So now you can see the output of our completed project. This is what we will be creating in this section. It is a simple app without any user interaction or any interactive elements, but this project will help us understand basic concepts of Flutter. Feel free to take a look at the code, but there's no need to fully understand it at this point, because we will be starting everything from the scratch in upcoming lessons. And at any point, if you run into any issues while developing this project or just want to compare your code, then you can open up this project and review the code. Alright. So from the next lesson, we will be starting this project from the scratch. So I'll see you at the next lesson.